Hi everyone, I will be doing a quick unboxing video. I bought two watches from Swatch, Singapore. One of them is Snoopy, the peanuts from Snoopy. This is the box that I get from them. It's very nice and colorful box. Let me untie the ribbon. I have untied the ribbon and I will open it up. Okay. It's the usual white box. Okay. Okay, I have removed the box. Give a 360-degree turn around. Okay. Let's see. The unboxing video. Here you go. Here you go. Okay. The warranty card, and then what is the all different languages, the basic instruction on how to take care of the warranty. Okay. Very nice. The back view. Yep. This is a long overdue video because actually I bought it on 14 January. And the SA also gave me Swatch 包装 repacket. Yeah. Let's see, yeah. It's all the same, just the stripes on the face swatched. Shall we do some a wrist shot? What does the watch look like on my hand? Okay. Here we go. Is it nice? Okay, I shall open the unwrap. Very nice, right? Okay, I'll be unboxing the next one. My next Swatch watch. Guess what is this? The black box. What is this black box all about? What is this? Can you recognize what is this logo? Of course, S stands for Swatch. S stands for Swatch. What about this? What does this logo stand for? It's actually the did not show you in the correct position. Okay, both are the same. Okay, I shall open up right now. 1, 2, 3, open! Haha! Swiss Swatch and Omega, they have collaborated. I finally get my hands on this watch. This is the receipt, and so the warranty card. Can you see? I bought it on 14 July 2022. Okay. As usual, the instruction manual. Like this. This is called the Bioceramic Moonwatch collection. Okay. And these are the few series, the few types. Okay, mine is not this. Mine is also not this. Not this. Not this. I hope to get this, but unable to get it as of now. I got this Mission on Earth. Is it nice? Is it beautiful? Okay. And Venus, Mercury, and the Sun. All right. Okay. Shall I take out and show it to you? So this is a close-up view. It comes with this nylon strap, which I will be removing it and putting on the third party. The Speedmaster Mission on a Moonwatch. This is the back view. Okay, turn around. Mission on Earth planet. On my wrist. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.